Hello friend, welcome to your own channel Abhay Singh Fearless World. Today we are going to start NIBOS International General Certificate in Occupational Safety and Health IGC 1. Element 1, why we should manage workplace health and safety. In this element, we will learn, discuss the moral, social and financial reason for managing health and safety in the workplace, explain how health and safety is regulated and the consequence of non-compliance, summarize the main health and safety duties of different groups of people at work, explain how contractors should be selected, monitored and managed. This element subdivided into three sub-element. First one is 1.1. We will study in this sub-element morals and money. Before starting this element, first of all, we should know some key terms. First one is health. What is health? Health means the absence of disease or ill health. For example, asbestos creates a health risk because if you inhale asbestos dust, you may contract lung cancer at some stage later in life, perhaps 20 or 30 years after you inhale the dust. Health relates not only to physical ill health but also to psychological ill health. For example, exposure to extreme stress can lead to acute mental collapse or a nervous breakdown. Second term is safety. Safety is absence of risk of serious personal injury. For example, walking under a load suspended from a crane during lifting operation is not safe because if the load falls, serious personal injury or death could result. Staying out of the danger area results in safety. Third key term is welfare. What is welfare? Welfare means access to basic facilities such as toilet facilities, hand wash station, changing rooms, restrooms, places where food can be prepared and eaten in relatively hygienic conditions, drinking water and basic first aid provision is called welfare facilities. There are three reasons to manage health and safety at the workplace: moral, financial, legal. The moral reasons for managing health and safety. Global statistics from the International Labour Organization ILO Safe Work Program show that over 3,50,000 work-related fatal accidents each year, 2.7 million work-related fatalities each year, 2.4 million fatalities from occupational disease, 270 million accident and 160 million disease a year due to work, and 4% of global GDP is lost. These statistics indicate that huge amount of pain and suffering is experienced by people who simply go to work to earn a living. The numbers indicate the scale of problem. What the number don't do is telling the individual stories. When health and safety is not managed properly, people can get killed and injured in gruesome way or suffer terrible diseases that have a massive impact not only on them but also their dependents, families, friends and colleagues. This suffering is more unacceptable. Due to this reason, we manage health and safety at the workplace. The second reason is financial reason for managing health and safety. Accident and ill health cost money. Cost may be direct measurable cost arising directly from accidents or indirect cost arise as a consequence of the event but may not directly involve money. Often difficult to quantify. Examples of direct cost: first aid treatment, work sick pay, repair to or replacement of damaged equipment and buildings, loss of damaged product, loss of production time while dealing with the injury. Example of indirect cost is reduction in staff morale which impact on productivity, quality and efficiency, general difficulties in recruiting and retraining staff as a result of accident, loss of goodwill of customer following dealing in production and fulfilling orders, damage to public image and business reputation, damage to industrial relationship, perhaps leading to industrial action such as a strike, are some examples of direct and indirect cost. It is usually possible to take out insurance to cover some of the losses that might foreseeably occur to an organization. There are two types of cost depend upon the insurance. First one is insured and second one is uninsured cost. Insured cost is fire, worker injury or death, medical cost. Uninsured cost is loss of raw material due to accident, sick pay, overtime, equipment repairs and lost materials.